Hello class, this is Mr. Lucero and this is going to be the last video for this unit. We're going to start working on pages 28 and 29. There is a reading activity. Look at this. Snowboarding block. Okay, so what is the main idea about this activity? To read. Okay, to read and answer some questions that are given by the book. Okay, so let's see. Give me a second. Much better. Snowboarding. Snowboarding block. Let me see. Snowboarding is a fun winter sport, but it can also be dangerous. Read how our regular snowboarder Kathy is feeling at the moment and why she isn't going snowboarding with her friends this weekend. Excuse me. Once again. Much better. Kathy, March 16th. This is too boring. In this picture, I'm having an amazing time, but at the moment, I'm sitting on the sofa and relaxing. On a Saturday, what do I usually do on the weekend? Well, I usually meet my friends at 7 a.m. and we take a bus to the mountains. We have breakfast on the bus and then we snowboard all day. So, why am I watching TV when my friends are snowboarding in the mountains? The doctor says I can't go because of my leg. So let's continue here. On page 99. Now here is the picture and here is the activity. It's broken. He thinks snowboarding is dangerous, but I don't. I think it's fun and relaxing. I think it's fun and exciting. So, I'm resting at that moment, but perhaps next weekend, log in next weekend and find out. Well, this is going to be our activity, our reading activity. If you want to take a screenshot, this is the moment. Now here is the picture, here's Kathy. And now let's see. Here, for example, I have excuse me. Let me see. Says reading number 2 is the activity you did. Read and listen. What's Kathy's problem? What is Kathy's problem? Any idea? It's at the end of the reading. Exactly. Her leg. Her leg is broken. So I suppose she had an accident. No, doing snowboarding. Well, it hurts. No, her leg's broken. Now let's see. Activity number 2. It says, what type of text is it? A description or a narrative? Well, when we talk about description, it's describing something, no? But when there is a narrative, they narrate different events, no? It's a narrative. Perfect. You are doing well. Let's continue with activity number 3. Read the text again and choose the correct answer. Letter A. Kathy is in the mountains, at home, on a bus. Exactly. Kathy is at home. Okay, class, this is the answer. At home. Letter B. Kathy usually goes to the mountains, relaxes, or watches TV on Saturday. Exactly. Kathy usually goes to the mountains on Saturday. This is the answer. Letter C. Let's continue with letter C. On Saturdays, Kathy normally has breakfast, Has lunch or has dinner on the bus? Breakfast. Very good. Letter D. Kathy thinks that snowboarding is a boring sport, fun sport, or dangerous sport. Of course, according to Kathy, it's fun. According to the doctor, it's dangerous, but here says Kathy, not the doctor. So the answer is fun. Perfect. Now let's continue here. We continue with grammar. Okay, this is the grammar activity. And it says present progressive, questions and short answers. Number 1. Complete the chart below with the correct form of the auxiliary verb. Remember, when we talk about the auxiliary verb, in this case is be, and could be is, are. Okay? Now let's see. I play in football. Yes, I am. No, I. Exactly. Am I? Okay? Am I playing football? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you? Let's continue with the second example. Are you swimming? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Very good. He or she is running. Is he? Is she? Is it running? Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. So here there are three questions and three possible answers. No, he isn't. No, she isn't. Or no, it isn't. Very good. Now let's continue with the last one. We, you, or they cycling? Are we? Are you? Are they cycling? Yes, we are. Yes, you are. Yes, they are. Or the negative form. No, we aren't. No, you aren't. No, they aren't. So, this is very easy. Can you remember the five fingers? When I taught you in class, it was pronoun, be, verb, ing, and complement. So focus on the two first, the pronoun and be. Cross your fingers. Okay, cross your fingers, and that is the question for the present continuous. So we're going to check it in our classes, okay? Now let's see. Here we have some activities. Number 2. Look at the sentences in the chart. Complete the rules with the words in the box. Subject, be, two times, verb plus ing. Okay, let's see. The order for present progressive question is. Can you remember? Exactly, I told you. We start with the verb be. No, am is are. Be plus subject plus plus verb plus ing plus other word. No, in this case could be the complement. We use the verb be with short answers. No, be for two times. Okay, now let's see. We're going to do this activity here. Let's see. It says, number 3. Complete the questions with the present progressive form of the verb in parentheses. They give a short answer that are true for you. Remember, the answer is true for you, okay? Is your teacher right? Writing on the board? Is your teacher writing on the board? Yes, he is. Or in the case of if your teacher were a girl, no? Yes, she is. Or no, he isn't. Or maybe no, she isn't. In my case, is he. Okay, yes, he is. Or no, he isn't. Letter B. Your classmates. It's in plural. Are your classmates speaking? English? Exactly. Yes, they are or no, they aren't. Remember, only one answer. Okay, letter B. Is any students? Are any students? Are, of course. Of course. Are any students playing soccer outside? Yes or no? Could be yes they are or could be no they aren't. Okay, only one answer. Let's continue with letter C. Partner. Only one. Okay, is your partner eating? If there is a boy, is yes he is, no he isn't. If yes, okay, if there is a girl, yes she is, no she isn't. Okay? You. Are you using a green pen? Are you using a green pen? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are your friend? Only one friend. Ah, no, mister, is no. Are is. Perfect. Be careful, okay? Is your friend sitting next to you? Yes, he is. Or yes, she is. It depends if that is a boy or a girl. No, he isn't. Or no, she is. Okay? Now you need extra information. You can go, you can turn to page 102 and you can see next activity. So on the next page, on page 100, we have a writing activity, writing an email. So you're going to use this structure with the information you did during the project so that you can write your email. Okay? Thank you so much. A pleasure to do this activity for you. Remember, you are going to have your activity. Your activity is a formulario, okay, with a test. So get ready for the test. Thank you very much. Bye bye.